Hi guys. Welcome to this channel. Do you want to know how to transfer video from CapCut to gallery? Don't worry, because you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to export your video and show you how to access it afterward. This is very simple, so watch and listen carefully up until the end of this video. First things first, go ahead and open up the CapCut app. Once you're in, select the project you want to export. If you're already editing, that's great. But if not, just open the specific video project that you've been working on. Once your project is ready and you're happy with your edits, look for the export button at the top right corner of the screen. It's usually represented by a little upward arrow or a save icon. Tap on that button. After tapping the export button, CapCut will start processing your video. You'll see a message on the screen that says exporting or saving. This part may take a few moments, depending on the length of your video and the complexity of your edits. So, just be patient and let it finish. Once CapCut finishes exporting, your project will automatically save to your device's storage. You don't need to do anything extra. At this point, your video is now available for you to view, share, or even continue editing later. Now, let's move on to the fun part. Let's open your gallery or Photos app and check if the video has been saved. Go ahead and open your gallery app, or Photos, depending on your phone. Here, you should see your exported video appear in the Recent Media section. If it's not showing up right away, just give it a few seconds or refresh the page. Once you've found your video in your gallery, go ahead and tap on it to play. You'll notice that it looks exactly as you edited it in CapCut. From here, you can share it on social media, send it to friends, or even upload it to YouTube or other platforms. It's really that simple to export and transfer your CapCut project to your gallery. With just a few taps, your edited videos are ready to be shared with the world. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.